Hi guys, what's good? I'm Mahek Nair, that's Praveen Nair, and very warm welcome to BodyProCoach Nutrition. Today we're going to be doing an epic, extremely tasty, delicious keto creamy chicken for you.
That's right, when it comes to macros, it decides all about your looks, the way you feel, and at the same time, how much amount of weight that you're going to lift in the gym. So let's go and have a look at the recipe.
Chicken breast 250 grams, broccoli 65 grams, 50 grams, capsicum finely chopped 20 grams, cheddar cheese grated 30 grams, cream cheese from the company Delecta 10 grams, garlic chopped 20 grams, Parmesan cheese, salt as per taste, oregano or garlic seasoning, red chili powder, olive oil, spray for cooking, toothpick. First we take the chicken breast. After that's a fillet, which is a boneless breast. Now I'm gonna slice it really nicely and thin, and I'm gonna try and make one fine. There you go. There I go. Okay. Now I'm going to marinate this with some seasoning. First I'm going to put some garlic and oregano. Flip it over. Now I'm going to add some red chili powder, season them nicely, flip the same thing, red chili powder, there we go. And I'm going to keep this aside for the next 5 to 10 minutes. Now we're going to start with the marination. First we take some broccoli that's chopped. To that I'm going to add capsicum. I'm going to add cheddar cheese. Chopped garlic. Parmesan cheese. Cream cheese, and last, salt. Now I'm gonna mix the whole mixture. Now lastly, I'm gonna fill this mixture. Now we're gonna fill the chicken breast. We're going to take the mixture, fill it inside. There you go. And after that, we're going to use the toothpick to close the same. There we go. Like a small canopy, we're going to close and seal the same. There we go. And then the last one. Now we're going to use some spray oil. Our chicken is ready. Now we are going to flip that side and see, it looks delicious. And our crispy, tasty chicken is ready. and we're going to drizzle some lime on the same. So our keto creamy chicken is ready. This is a complete and ideal meal. Why? Because it consists of vegetables, which are a good source of fiber, which is broccoli and capsicum. It has the amino acids what you need for yourself to recover.
Guys, it's amazing. I've already tasted this one and I'm in love with it. What you have to do that simply to get such kind of recipes, subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon that you always get to know about new videos, and make sure that you've got lots and lots of videos out there, about almost 150 videos. Make sure you use all of them to get yourself really fit. So go out there and enjoy. We'll see you in the next video.
Thank you.